Alrighty guys, we're here at old Norfork Lake for the Anvil Jaw stop number, what stop are we? 4, stop number 4, Anvil Jaw, Norfork Lake. Probably gonna take about 15 pounds to win today, so we gotta catch some 3-pounders. You know, they haven't been biting a minnow in practice. They might bite one today, it's a little cloudier today, but it's been bluebird skies other than that. We had a little bit of rain yesterday. But I got some sneaky stuff to try, so we're gonna see if we'll catch 15 pounds. I'll be happy with at least 12, so let's go get them. Stupid white. Stupid white. Caught some bigger ones in here doing that yesterday. I fished at midday too. I think that sun might make them. There's a bunch of bait back here though. Might be a keeper. I don't know, they gotta be 13. He's 13. Not by much, but he touches it. Little guy. 13. Don't think. Oh, he is. Caught that one off of Babe, guys. It's a good one, too. It's a good one. It's better than what we've been catching. I think I figured a little bit of something out. Yeah, I was throwing that methylate coated worm yesterday. I caught 2 3s on it in this pocket. 2 1/4. Better than what we were catching. We're gonna save. I have that spot back there. They're busting on bait. I'm gonna save that. Hopefully they'll stick around there. But I'm gonna keep looking for some of these beds, I think. Another good one. A little bit bigger than the other one, I think. Yeah, 2 1/2, that's good. a pretty decent small. And it's working out. That's 5, finally. I was getting worried there for a little bit. Almost a 2-pounder. 1 3/4. Number 5. We got 9 pounds and we still got 2 little bitty ones in there. 2 little squeaks. Another good one. At least 2. They love this worm. Oh, he wasn't. Look at this. Ready? Barely even hooked. He'll call. He's probably 2, close to it at least. Yep, 2-pounder. Okay, let's get back to it. So we're gonna hit this area for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back over to those bluffs and really just work this worm still and just see if I can catch some more. There's some more back there. And the way those bluffs are set up, so it's bluff and then pockets go into the bluffs. The way it's set up, there's gonna be fish like going in there all the time. So it'll keep reloading. So we're gonna go back in there after we do this. We got about 3 hours to fish. So alright guys, we are heading to weigh in. It's about that time. Got about 10 pounds, a little bit under. It was just a rough day. I mean, I have one small smallmouth I can't get rid of. That was like a pound. If I would have got rid of him, got another 2-pounder, we would have been chilling. Well, more chilling than we are. But caught a couple decent ones, had a fun time. Let's go weigh in and see how we end up. All in all, pretty okay day, I guess. Alright guys, as you can see, we are back at home. Wrapped up the tournament, just around 10 pounds. Took 12 pounds to get a check and 14 pounds to win, so it was fishing pretty rough for everybody. Got some really good points for AOY. Moved up like 10 spots in AOY this after this tournament, but caught everything on, mostly everything I caught was on beds or getting ready to move up to beds. And the water was super clear, but I was throwing around this methyllite colored worm, just wacky rigging it. And I put a nail weight in it when I was fishing some deeper beds, but even with the clear water, they're still crushing this thing just because of the reaction bite, really, or that aggressiveness they have during the spawn. And I also got a couple good ones on the shaking a minnow. So caught on those 2 things. Didn't really expect this to be a player this weekend just because of how clear the water was, but ended up working out. Figured something out in practice, caught 2 3s on it in practice, like 10 minutes apart from each other. I was like, all right, this is what we're doing all day, so stuck with it. We still had a 1-pounder in there that we couldn't get rid of. We would have got rid of that, caught another 2 2.5, would have been moved up a lot in standings. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go like, subscribe, go follow the Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever you do, go follow them. And yeah, huge thanks to all my sponsors, and I will see y'all guys in the next one.